Bets, final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. We're only waiting for Love Story. Love Story now being loaded, all set, ready for racing. Race number 1. Good luck to all of you. Racing just is started. We have Lucky Touch. Break quickly at the start. Ale Tiger within the middle. Queen Alicia is on the outside. Love Story then followed by Big Bang Bong, Miss Manila, Best Kept Secret. Then next on that is Action Sailor. While he's the man, is the early trailer by about 12 lengths up the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Lucky Touch, a solo leader, maintaining a 6 lengths leader. Tiger Wood is right behind in second. Queen Alicia is racing in third. Ale is down in fourth. Then next on line is Love Story, Big Bang Bong, Best Kept Secret, Action Sailor, Miss Manila. While he's the man is still racing in last. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Lucky Touch is still in control, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Moving up down on the inside, Big Bang Bong, and on the outside Tiger Wood. Ale comes next. Moving up now on the outside is Love Story, Queen Alicia, Best Kept Secret. Down on the inside, Action Sailor, Miss Manila, and his diamond. And as they swing for home, we have Lucky Touch by about 3 lengths. Tiger Wood now moving up on the outside. Last 100 meters. Lucky Touch, Tiger Wood is on the outside, but it's still Lucky Touch followed by Tiger Wood, and finally Lucky Touch, Tiger Wood, Big Bang Bong. Then comes number 4, Action Sailor.
Binitin pa ni ano?
6
ba? 12946.
Yes.
Alright, double sales reaching 530,000, forecast 510,000.
Mabuti talaga si Lucky Touch, ha?
Yep.
Medyo lumakas yung laban, pero still, kaya niya. Anyway, yung ating forecast